Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M51. So, I've opened the label already here, so let's start. And here it is. So a very large phone, by the way. And yeah, that's the phone with the 7000 milliampere battery. So let's remove it. I have here the black version, by the way. And yeah, that's the front side here. And that's the back side with the quad cam and so on. So very nice. And we have a USB Type-C port. And what's very nice, we have an extra audio jack, also not common anymore. And so what we have else here, so we have a USB Type-C cable. And it's a USB Type-C cable with 2 times USB Type-C. So it means on each side, that means that the power charging adapter, you will need also a USB Type-C cable if you want to buy a second one day. Then we have here the headset. I have the European version here. I've heard that there's no headset included in some other countries like India and so on. So please take care. It could be that your device have no headset included there. And yeah, then we have a bit hidden also here some instructions in that little box here. And we have here also the SIM ejection tool to remove the SIM tray, to insert a SIM card and so on. I've shown you in another video. And we have here some yeah, we have a warranty card and a quick start guide, but it's very, very quick. It's in many languages as well and so on. And yeah, so I've put here everything together again. So we have the phone, we have a fast charging adapter, we have the USB Type-C cable with 2 times USB-C. An headset, it's not in every region available. We have here the SIM ejection tool to remove the SIM tray and a quick start guide and a warranty card. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me, like tips and tricks and so on, or just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.